oxymoronic, ironic like I got a tiny penis in the Trojan Magnum, so I stuff socks inside. Cheat on my mistress, my wife, so when I divorce the broad, I give her half my bills, I split it down the line. I kill a crowd like a stab dog with the mic, speak into a sharp knife, split my tongue, hiss whenever I speak, and I'm burning like random spit. I'm a half-ass, like I got one butt cheek, but never catch me full of shit. My rhymes, they clog up toilets, so I guess you can say I'm overflowing with it. But I'm morbid, like an auction of rock corpses being bought by poor men, and I'd be the opposite of 50 Cent. Have a baby by me, girl, inherit my debt. And you say, no, that's real fucked up, you ain't gonna inherit my debt. You're gonna do one good thing that you could inherit my debt. Damn, selfish ass motherfuckers in the world, yo. All it is debt. You can get out of it, I can't. Take my debt for just 30 cents a day.
You can adopt a child for 30 cents a day.
Dial 1-800, take my debt, and help a starving ass, skinny ass, frail ass, hungry ass.
Bread single tear.
Since it's been on my face, so I take the blame. You can hide your shame. I'm a flashy fish that keeps it plain. There's no one being insane. So baby, let's keep doing it. Go on, over and over again. I reject perfection. Don't trust your ladies. Sometimes I'm in the second job of praise. They end up being the beast of beauty space. Self-worth is priceless. But sometimes I sell myself short of fair change. Naturally unnatural. For the birds, as to now, all kinds of others grammatical. On my best day, so I say, I represent outlet. Represent the good, the bad, the ugly, you gotta love it. Yeah, these are tears over the round, you see, I smile in the show. There's a way, there's a way, there's a way, there's a way. I'm a national kid of a folk I feel, we get in my homeland. We're the citizens of the bad teeth and pale skin. Remember to who likes money, but won't buy the capitalism. They call the justice of my dollar. So the root of evil is a blessing that we prayer. So I see the man sayer. I be the poet, check the poets. The piece of blessed gimmick is just a better commercial rap music. I be dehydrated, get so fluid. Special ed on a mission to prove that artists are people too if you just listen. When the truth always lies, somewhere between the lines. By the rhymes being found by the blind while they hide. Well, I can't lie. If hip-hop is dead because Tupac and Biggie died, then it was never really alive. Cause the realest shit you can ever write is when you stop being pressed or being liked. Alright? 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 Support I even have it. I need support dance. I did 2 years ago, I'm saying. Yo, cats was in rehab and shit. Like, yo, what was you on? They were like, yo, I was on flip, yo. What was you on? It was like, yo, horror and shit, yo. What was you on? It was like, range, yo. Like, yo, what you on? Man, fuck food, yo. I keep doing this shit. Fuck food. Doing that shit real. Yeah. Look good. Look good. Look good. Look good. Look good. Look good. good time over here. It's always a good time. The stage is like the baby's porridge, just right. You like that?